Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to bitOps Dev. In this video, I actually want to show you and review this Unity asset pack from the Unity Asset Store. This is the Space Graphics Planets by Carlos Wilkes, and you can find it on the Unity Asset Store for $30. And I've left a link to this pack in the description below. Now $30 might seem like a pretty penny, but the quality of this pack is actually really high and includes quite a few features. Now the Space Graphics Planets pack is a custom space generator, allowing you to create unique space environments and planets. And I'll be implementing this pack in the new video game that I'm creating. Now here I have my Unity project open and I've already imported the Space Graphics Planets pack. When you import this pack, you'll find it under Plugins and CW. If you open the Space Graphics Planets folder, under Packs and Planets, you'll find some demo scenes. And here I've already opened Scene 01 Orbit. Now if I play the scene, we can take a look at what's included in this pack. Now in this scene, you're able to view and switch between 47 unique planet prefabs. And the 47 prefabs are grouped by different planet types. There's alien planets, barren planets, desert planets, frozen planets, lava planets, and tropical planets. Now, even though this pack includes 47 unique planet prefabs, each planet object is fully customizable, making infinite more planets to be created. Each planet object consists of 4 main elements, which are the base planet, the water, the atmosphere, and the clouds. The base planet mostly consists of the material that's applied to it and the displacement of its height map. The planet material is fully customizable, allowing you to create totally unique planets that aren't even included in the pack. You would just need your own albedo texture and several different maps. The displacement value then allows you to control the height of the different mountains and valleys. The water level is controlled by this simple slider, and you're able to change the color of the water as well. The atmosphere object allows you to set the thickness of the atmosphere, even creating your own gas giants if you want. The atmosphere color can also be changed. And finally, there is the cloud system. With the clouds, the color of the clouds can be adjusted, as well as their strength and rim color. And here's the custom planet that I've now just created. Other features included in this pack are the nebulous background, which can also be customized by adjusting the color and density, the background star constellation band, and the sun star directional light. Now what I've shown you here is only one of 10 different demo scenes that come with this pack, and I've really only covered the main customization options for these planets. Now if you'd like to see more on this pack and how I'm going to be implementing it into my own project, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to buy this pack for yourself, you can find a link to it in the description below. Now that's everything I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.